When you think of a truck camper, you usually think of something compact, maybe a little tight, and designed for minimalist travel. But what if I told you that you could fit a 5-star apartment in the back of a dually pickup truck? Today, we are looking at the king of the hill. This is the 2026 Adventurer Eagle Cap 1165. Welcome back to Improve Autos. Today, we're performing a surgical analysis of the most ambitious truck camper ever built. We'll look at the TCC aluminum construction, the new 2026 electrical upgrades, and why this beast requires the world's strongest trucks to carry it. Guys, we are so close to our goal of 1,000 subscribers. Please hit that subscribe button right now. Let's start with the exterior architecture that makes 3 slide-outs even possible. The first thing you have to understand about the 2026 Eagle Cap 1165 is its size. This is a massive unit with an 11-foot, 11-inch floor length and a total exterior width of 102 inches. But the real magic happens when you hit the remote for the triple slide system. Slide 1 is on the driver's side, housing the dinette. Slide 2 is on the passenger side, housing the kitchen appliances. And slide 3 is the rear slide, which pushes the sofa and entertainment center out the back. This creates a massive great room in the center of the camper that you simply won't find anywhere else. The construction is based on GXV's TCC laminated aluminum superstructure. This means the walls, floor, and roof are all aluminum framed and pressure bonded with high-density block foam insulation. For 2026, Adventurer has refined the sealing process with a 6-step exterior seal, making this a true 4-season camper that can handle Canadian winters and Brazilian heat with ease. Looking at the skin, we have the Lamilux 4000 high-gloss fiberglass exterior. It looks like an automotive finish and is incredibly easy to clean. Up top, you'll see the one-piece TPO walk-on roof, which now comes standard with a roof rack system for your kayaks or gear. One of the most important exterior features for 2026 is the next-generation Happy Jack wireless remote electric jacks. These jacks have high vertical motors that make loading and unloading this 5,000-pound beast onto a dually truck faster and safer than ever. Underneath, you'll find a heated and enclosed basement that protects your holding tanks from freezing. This is surgical engineering designed for the long-haul traveler. Interior. Step inside the 1165 and you'll forget you're in a truck camper within 5 seconds. Thanks to the triple slides, the interior floor space is staggering. The centerpiece is the Peninsula kitchen. Most truck campers have a tiny strip of counter space. The 1165 gives you a residential-style island with granite coat thermoformed countertops. You get a deep stainless steel double sink, a 3-burner residential-style cooktop with an oven, and a 1.1 cubic foot microwave. For 2026, the refrigerator has been upgraded to an 8 cubic foot 12V DC compressor fridge. Turning to the living area, you have 2 seating options. You can stick with the traditional booth dinette, or you can go for the theater seating upgrade in the rear slide. If you're a couple traveling full-time, the theater seats are a game changer. They provide a perfect view of the 32-inch 4K smart TV. The bedroom is located in the cab over section. It features a king-size bed. Yes, a real 60 by 80 queen mattress with room to spare, and a massive acrylic moonroof. The storage here is also class-leading, with mirrored double wardrobe closets that actually have enough room for a full season's worth of clothes. But let's talk about the dry bath. The 1165 has a separate one-piece fiberglass shower stall with a glass door, a porcelain foot-flush toilet, and a vanity with a large medicine cabinet. It's a full-size bathroom that allows you to stay clean and comfortable without the cramped camper feel. Performance and the 2026 power grid. Now let's get surgical about the numbers, because this is where the Eagle Cap 1165 requires a serious conversation about your truck. The dry weight of this camper is approximately 4,917 pounds, but once you add the Onan 2500 LPG generator, fill the 66-gallon freshwater tank, add 2 30-pound propane tanks, and pack your gear, your wet weight will easily cross 6,200 pounds. For 2026, the electrical system has received a massive surgical update. You now get a standard 400-watt solar package with a Bluetooth-enabled charge controller. The camper is also pre-wired for lithium batteries, allowing you to run your lights, fans, and electronics for days without ever plugging in. With a 30,000 BTU forced air furnace and a high-output, low-profile AC, this rig is designed to keep you comfortable in a Montana blizzard or a Florida summer. It's not just a camper, it's a self-contained life support system for the road.
Pricing. So what is the honest truth about the 2026 Eagle Cap 1165? With an MSRP starting at $91,730 and fully loaded units hitting the $105,000 mark, this is a premium investment. Is it worth it? If you have a dually truck and you want to travel full-time or take month-long trips without feeling cramped, there is nothing else like it. The 1165 offers the best of both worlds, the mobility of a truck camper that can tow a boat or a horse trailer, combined with the interior space of a luxury apartment. Comparison: Eagle Cap 1165 versus Host Yukon. The only real competitor in the mega truck camper world is the Host Yukon 11.5. Both have triple slides. Both are massive. So which one is better? The layout. The Host Yukon features a side entry and a mid-bath, which some people prefer for privacy. However, the Eagle Cap 1165 features a rear entry with a peninsula kitchen that feels much more open and residential. Construction. Host uses a slightly different framing technique, but the Eagle Cap's TCC construction is legendary for its rigidity and lack of slide sag over time. Price. The Host Yukon can often climb over $110,000. The Eagle Cap 1165 remains slightly more competitive, starting around $91,000 to $95,000, making it a better value for the triple slide experience. However, you must respect the weight. This is a heavy machine that demands a heavy-duty truck. If you're okay with that, then the Eagle Cap 1165 is the ultimate home on wheels. I want to hear from you. Is 11 feet and 11 inches too big for a truck camper? Or do you think the triple slide space is exactly what the industry needs? Let me know in the comments. I read every single one. If you enjoyed this surgical review, please hit the like button. And if you haven't yet, subscribe to Improve Autos. We are pushing for that 1,000 subscriber milestone, and every single one of you makes a difference. Thanks for watching, stay safe on the road, and as always, keep roaming. I'll see you in the next one.